Hey, what's up? Welcome back. Today I've got my September kit lineup, which, not gonna lie, you probably won't see spreads with these for like 2 months because I'm accidentally still working on June spreads, so my bad. Also, sorry if my voice sounds rough. It feels rough right now because the crew just got a much needed massive win over FC Cincy in the Hell is Real Derby, and my man Miguel Berry just scored 2 goals within a 60-second period. And if you know anything about soccer, you know how absolutely unreal that is. The kid has played in like 5 matches so far, and he's already solidified himself as a club legend. It's unreal. So I was just going absolutely wild, and Soda Pop was looking at me like, I cannot believe I have to deal with this shit for the rest of my life. Sorry about the tangent as usual, but I'm gonna hop in here. So for the week of August 30th through September 5th, I'm using Superhero by SPC. I'm using this for the Shang-Chi release. I hope if this art ever gets like re-released or reworked or whatever, that there's some Shang-Chi love in it, because I'm gonna get bold here and say that I think Shang-Chi is like elite top tier Marvel. Like, I would argue Soda Pop is at it again. Sorry. Okay, so I would argue that it is as good as Black Panther. Okay, well, that might be getting a little too bold, but it's definitely up there, and I highly recommend it even if you don't like Marvel, because it doesn't really feel like a Marvel movie. If you see it, I think you'll know what I mean. So that's the kit that I'm using for that week. I think I'm going to definitely be using the matte black with rainbow foil and then sparkly hollow to supplement. And then the next week, so September 6th through 12th, I'm going to be using Summer Forever, because I think we're going to the Side Summer show, which is like an offset of Sad Summer. I was going to use this for Sad Summer, but Shang-Chi took precedence, so I'm going to be using this for that week. I think this is definitely going to be a sparkly hollow moment. For the last 3 weeks of September, these kits are all kind of interchangeable. Like, I'm going to use all of them, I just don't know what order yet, but I think this is the tentative order. So for the week of September 13th through the 19th, I have the May Mystery from SPC. I have no idea what color foil I'm going to use with this yet. That's going to be a complete game time decision. I don't know if I want to do something bright and fun or like one of the core foils. I don't know yet. And then we have one of my favorite kits, which is the May 2020 Mystery, which is like the Visco Girl kit. And I actually do have my foil picked out for this one because I've had it picked out for like a year. So I think I showed it in my haul when I hauled this kit, but I got the like tie-dyed Sadie's stickers, $2 Tuesdays last year with hollow foil. And then I also got the header overlays and bottom washi overlays. And then this year I also got the Plannahannah hollow tie-dye underlays. And for the last week of September, I have Bonfire Nights from CaressPress. I love this kit. I think it's a super pretty summer to fall transition kit. I think the navy is super pretty. And I know you guys are probably like, Domi, why are you doing summer to fall transition kits at the end of September? Well, I like to do summer kits as long as possible. So I do summer, Halloween, then fall, then Christmas. And I do summer until the Big Brother season is over. And this year it's ending September 29th. So I think this is going to be perfect for that. And this cloud is so pretty. I need it. But I think this kit is either going to be a sparkly, no, not sparkly, champagne lights moment, or that like sparkly sunset hollow or whatever from last year. So yeah, that is all of my September kits. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Later.